World Food Day is a global action dedicated annually on October 16. World Food Day came into effect at the 20th General Conference. The Food and Agriculture Organization conducted it in November in the year 1979. An estimate stated that nearly 98% of global hunger exists in underdeveloped countries. The main focus revolves around the fact that food is fundamental human right. World Food Day ensures nutrition, diets, and food security across the globe. Various organizations like International Fund for Agriculture Development and World Food Program join hands to celebrate. World Food Day is commemorated in more than 150 countries across the globe. World Food Day is a global platform for raising awareness of issues about hunger and poverty. World Food Day uses themes that revolve around agriculture as agriculture happens to be the only investment. Through World Food Day, let us join hands together to solve the problems of eliminating hunger.